Hey guys, if you are facing this problem, then you are on the right platform. So without wasting any time, here we go. Hey, what's up guys? So today I'm going to tell you that how you can get rid of that runtime error that you're facing in any of the application when you're going to start it. So here we go. So just go to the browser and make search for universal runtime update, or you can just go to the link. I will put the link in the description, then just click on it and go to the web page that I'm going to show you shortly. So here we go. So you have to go to the Microsoft original website, or I will put the link. So just go to the website and choose the operating system that you have installed in your PC. Just scroll down and then choose your operating system and just click on the download. You have to make sure that you have downloaded the right application. Just scroll down and choose the window that you have installed in your PC, and just after downloading, just installed it normally, and you are not going to face that problem from right that moment. So hope you like this video, and if you are new to our channel, then subscribe to our channel and stay tuned for more videos. So thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Till then, bye. Take care.